Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan selamat pagi. Perkenalkan, nama saya Hasbia SPD, asal sekolah SMK Negeri 1 Dampal Selatan. Saat ini saya tercatat sebagai mahasiswi PPG Darjab Angkatan 3 kategori 1 tahun 2024. Program studi bahasa Inggris di LPTK Universitas Negeri Gorontalo. Hari ini Selasa 5 Maret 2024. Saya akan melaksanakan praktik pembelajaran dengan judul Narrative Text of Malin Kundang dalam rangka melaksanakan penilaian uji kinerja. Terima kasih, selamat menyaksikan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
And good morning everybody.
Morning.
How are you this morning?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm very well, thank you. For this morning?
Yes.
Good. Okay, before go to the material for this morning, we will take pray, and the prayer will be led by the captain of the class. Okay, Sirajuddin, let's pray.
Before go to the material, the first we will take pray. Pray, begin.
Amin. Okay, thank you. Okay, now I will check your name, your attendance. Anastasia Putri,
Present.
Eka,
Present.
Ulil,
Present.
ya. Yang lain hadir semua?
Hadir semua.
Oke, good ya. Hadir semua. Oke, before go to the material, I will give you ice breathing.
Yes.
Yeah. Do you like ice breathing?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Stand up, please. Stand up dulu. Stand up. Are you okay? Yeah. Stand up, man and woman, yeah. Make 3 lines. Yeah, 3 lines. Ya, Rahmat. Ya. Okay, are you ready? Yeah. Please hear my instruction. Ya, perhatikan instruksinya saya ya. If I say forward, so you must ya maju. If I say back,
Mundur.
left,
Kiri.
right,
Kanan.
kanan. So I will give you 1 instruction and 2 instruction. Jadi di sini Anda yang dibutuhkan adalah konsentrasi. Ya, fokus ya. Oke. Let's start. Back. Forward. of past tense? Yeah, like yesterday. Yes, was again. Yeah, so. Yeah. Pokoknya yang berhubungan dengan Oke. Kalian masih ingat ya? Oke. Sebelum kita ke materi, I will give you some question relate the material for today. Please show to the screen. Okay. You can show the first picture. So the question is what is the title of the story about? Maling Kundang. Ya, yang ditanya adalah judulnya dari gambar ya. Ya, dari mana Anda tahu lagu Maling Kundang?
The picture.
By
the picture.
Ya, ada pantainya, ada kapalnya ya. Okay, good. Ini Maling Kundang. So, the second question is, what is the picture tell us about? Ya, good. Ya, Maling Kundang. Ini kalian sudah paham ya. So, kira-kira apa yang kita belajar hari ini? Teks. Ya, ini judulnya sudah ada ya, narrative text. Story about? Cerita tentang? Ya, good. Cerita tentang Maling Kundang. Ya. Next, adapun tujuan pembelajaran kita untuk hari ini, Anda bisa baca di sini. Yang pertama, menentukan fungsi sosial, struktur teks dan unsur kebahasaan secara kritis dari teks naratif Maling Kundang. Kedua, kita harus menganalisis fungsi sosialnya, struktur teksnya dan unsur kebahasaan secara kritis, kreatif dan berkolaborasi dari teks Maling Kundang. Yang ketiga, kita menyusun teks naratif secara benar dan kreatif dan mempresentasikannya dengan berbagai mode presentase. Jadi sebentar ini akan ada presentation. Okay, the material about narrative text. So the question is, what is narrative text? Oh, Alfisara, can you tell your friend what is narrative text? Ya, Alfi.
Text retell the imagination, factual story in the past tense.
Ya, boleh ya. Ya, Alfisara say if narrative text is retell about imagination or factual in the past tense. Bisa dipahami maksudnya?
Yes.
Ya, cerita imajinasi. Ya, cerita imajinasi. Oke. Now, ini dalam narrative text itu ada ini genre atau kinds of narrative text. Di sini ada fable, cerita dongeng tentang binatang, ada mistis, cerita mistis, sihir ya. Ada legend, ini legend, cerita Maling Kundang, cerita rakyat contohnya. Folktale, cerita rakyat ya, sama. Ada folktale, cerita rakyat juga. Ada fairy tale, ada dari cerita dongeng kayak Rapunzel siapa. Ada love story, berarti love story juga termasuk dengan cerita naratif text. Oke, next. Ada namanya generic structure. Ya, generic structure di sini sebenarnya ada 4 ya. Ada orientation, ada complication, ada resolution, dan ada juga namanya reorientation. Tapi reorientation itu boleh ada dan boleh tidak. Nah, pada bagian orientation itu mengenal pengenalan awal dalam sebuah cerita. Jadi siapa tokohnya, di mana tempat kejadiannya, dan seterusnya. Pokoknya cerita awal. Complication. Jadi masalah yang terjadi dalam cerita itu. Itu apa kira-kira konfliknya? Itu yang menjadi persoalan. Oke? Clear? Ya. Resolution. Jadi solusi dan cerita itu apa? Apa akhir dari cerita? What is the ending of the story? Apa akhir ceritanya itu? Oke? Iya. Jadi ada kalau reorientation itu boleh ada, boleh Tidak. Oke? Now, the purpose of the text. Apa itu maksudnya? Tujuan dari teks. Nah, di sini ada 4 tujuan dari teks yang dipaparkan di PowerPoint ini. Ada to entertain the readers, jadi untuk menghibur pembaca. Ada to amuse the readers. Ada to teach moral value and to change social opinion, mengajarkan nilai-nilai sosial, mengubah pandangan sosial. Oke? Oke. Next, the language picture menggunakan simple past. Kenapa simple past tense? Ya, karena terjadi di masa lampau. Good. Ada adverb of time-nya, jadi bentuk waktunya. Once upon time, a time, one day misalnya. A long time ago, itu termasuk adverb of time. Ada time conjunction. Ada when, then, suddenly. Ya, spesifik karakternya dari cerita tersebut. Ada juga namanya action part, jadi kata-kata action misalnya berjalan, berlari, membunuh, semua itu action ya. Ya. Tadi simple past tense sudah paham toh? Ya, kalau simple past tense berarti bentuknya bentuk lampau. Contohnya, nih, verb 1, verb 2, verb 3. See, saw, sing. Ya. Kira-kira yang mana di sini simple past tense? Ya, so. Oke? Ya, dan sebagainya. Oke? Ya. Kan materi minggu lalu kan simple past tense, so? Oke, next. Asesmen yang kita mau nilai hari ini adalah asesmen sikap, penilaian sikap. Jadi nanti akan ada observasi selama kalian pembelajaran. Ada penilaian pengetahuan dan ada penilaian keterampilan. Oke. Ya. Now, sebelum kita ke persentase, pertama, please pay attention to the link video. Please go to the video and give some question or some problem. You can ask. Maybe you can find some question or problem based on the video. Oke, ada mungkin menemukan nanti masalah atau apa dalam video ini ya? Ya, please ask. Ya, silakan bertanya. Oke, kita putar. Please make a question. Maybe you can find a problem or some question based on the video. Siap menonton video? Yes. Oke, kita putar ya. Oke. Nih video about maling kundang.
Long time ago, in a small village in the beach in West Sumatra, a woman and her son lived. They were married. The mother was a single parent because Malik Kundang's mother had passed away when he was a baby. Malik Kundang had to live hard with his mother. Malik Kundang was a healthy, diligent, and strong boy. He usually went to sea to catch fish. After getting fish, he would bring it to his mother, or sold the caught fish in the town. One day, when Malik Kundang was sailing, he saw a merchant ship which was being raided by a small band of pirates. He helped the merchant. With his strength and power, Malik Kundang defeated the pirates. The merchant was so happy and thanked him. In return, Perfectly, he had a beautiful wife too. When he was sailing his trading journey, his ship landed on a beach near a small village. The villagers recognized him. The news ran fast in the town. Malikundang has become rich, and now he is here. Another woman rushed to the beach to meet the new rich merchant. She was Malikundang's mother. She wanted to hug him. Unfortunately, when the mother came, Malikundang was in front of his well-dressed wife, and she crossed the night greeting that old lonely woman. For 3 times her mother begged Malikundang, and for 3 times he yelled at her. At last, Malikundang said to her, "Now, old woman, I have never had a mother like you, a dirty and an ugly woman." After that, he ordered his crews to set sail. He would leave the old mother again, but in that time she was full of both sadness and angriness. Finally, enraged, she cursed Malikundang that he would turn into a stone if he did not apologize. Malikundang just laughed and really set sail. In the quiet sea, suddenly a thunderstorm came. His huge ship was wrecked, and it was too late for Malikundang to apologize. He was thrown by the wave out of his ship. He fell on a small island. It was really too late for him to avoid his curse. Suddenly, he turned into a stone. He was punished for not admitting his own mother. There is
Okay, the video is finished. Jadi, Anda sudah menonton? Happy watching?
Yes.
Okay, maybe you find some questions or some problems based on the video. Ada pertanyaan dari video tadi? Yes. Okay, siapa yang bertanya? Alfi.
Why Malikundang cures became a stone?
Yeah, why Malikundang cured by become a stone. Okay, mengapa Malikundang dikutuk menjadi batu? Mungkin ada yang mau jawab? Siraj.
Because her mother angry and said to Malikundang that look to her.
Because her mother said and angry to Malikundang, not care to her. Ya, mungkin maksudnya tidak Yudin begini ya. Mamanya sedih dan marah karena Malikundang tidak memperdulikannya. Oke? Masih ada pertanyaan untuk video? Ada yang bertanya? Eka.
Where did the story happen?
Ya, where did the story happen? Kira-kira ada yang mau jawab? Apa itu where did the story happen? Di mana terjadi? Di mana tadi dia bilang?
Di Sumatera. Di Nusa Sumatera.
Ya, terjadi di West Sumatera. Oke? Kira-kira sudah paham tentang cerita ini? Ya. Oke, nanti saya akan berikan bahan ajar ya, bahan ajar yang berhubungan dengan Malikundang. Ke dalam 3 kelompok yang berisi kelompok 2, Alfi, kelompok 3. Ayo ya. Ya. Divide into 3 groups. Divide into 3 groups. Kan? Ya bagi tiga, 5 orang. Oke, 5 orang. Oke, 5 orang sini. Sini satu. Menghadap sini satu. Bapak teman terus juga. 45. Kurang berat ya? 6 minggu. Oh, di sini satu. Rahman. Ya, Rahman. Ya, oke. Pas. Oke. Ya, di sini saya akan memberikan sebuah bahan ajar. Ya, berikan ke dalam tiap kelompok ini. And then worksheet. Ada worksheetnya ini, LKPD-nya. Ya, masing-masing kelompok mendapat worksheet. Iya. Ini sebelah satu. Oke? Sudah? Okay, there are some instructions related the worksheet. Jadi ada beberapa petunjuk yang berhubungan dengan LKPD ya. Ya, ini ada dua. There are 2 activity. Ada 2 tugas kalian nantinya. Ada 2 tugasnya, activity 1 and activity 2. Ya, jadi jawaban boleh dicari di ini di lembar ya sumber belajar itu. Ya, boleh juga menggunakan HP, internet untuk mencari tahu apa yang kita tahu. Ya, gunakan semaksimal mungkin bagaimana bisa menyelesaikan itu soal. Saya paham? Yes. Ya, oke, sebelum belajar kita semangat dulu. Ya, oke, kita semangat dulu. Walaupun jam-jam siang begini ya. Strike your hand forward. Oke? Ya, strike your hand forward. And I say, tell you. Ya, siapkan ya jadinya. For figure-nya, ya, faster and slower, oke? Yes, faster, slower, slower, ya. Show me your nose. Banyak yang bingung, gitu kan? Ya, kalian butuh konsentrasi. Oke? Show me your head. Ya, kepala mana tahu headnya? Ya, oke. Ya, oke. Ya, kembalikan konsentrasi kalian dengan mengerjakan LKPD-nya. Ya, kerja.
Life Manikuna and he left his mother
Any question?
Yes.
Ada masalah?
Yes.
Ya. Oke, aman? Oke. Any question so far? Ada pertanyaan? Ada yang tidak mengerti? Yeah, there are two activities, and please find the answer by the source of lesson for today or by internet. You can use handphone. Ya, Anda bisa menggunakan HP untuk mencari tahu jawabannya. Oke? Kelompok 3 ada masalah? Tidak. Oke, kelompok 2 aman? Iya, oke. Ya, ada tuh di ini ada yang ini bisa kau temukan sini. Oke. Are you finished?
Yeah.
Now time the presentation. Group 1 ya. Ya, kita mulai dari grup 1. Sebelum kalian naik ke depan, please di sini ada 3 kertas. There are 3 paper. Please choose 1 paper for your group. Silakan pilih 1 kertas untuk Anda. And dalam kertas ini ada instruction relate your presentation. Jadi nanti ada instruksi di sini. Apa yang kau dapatkan, itu yang kau presentasikan. Tuh, di sini ada generic structure, ada language feature, ada social function. Berarti ada 3. Ada semua jawabanmu tuh? Oke?
Yeah.
Oke.
Yes.
Oke, clear. Oke, group 1. Please choose 1 paper. Oke. Yeah. What about?
Persentase about generic structure.
Structure. Ya, dia mendapatkan tentang generic structure. Oke, group 1. Please presentation. You will start discussion in front of the class. Jadi nanti di sini group 1 mempresentasikan tentang generic structure-nya dari naratif Malin Kundang.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are from group 1. My name is Sirajuddin and they my friends. Okay friends, let's introduce yourself.
My name is Muhammad Randi Afandi. My name is Fahri. My name is Andika. My name is Uli.
Okay, we will presentation or result discuss about narrative text Malin Kundang. And for this time, we get instruction about generic structure. Okay, according our group, generic structure of Malin Kundang. Now we will presentation about activity 2, doublet, paragraph, and the answer are. The first is paragraph 2. The second is paragraph 1. The third is paragraph 4. The last is paragraph 3. I think it's enough for our discussion today from group 1.
Thank you. Itu adalah penampilan dari kelompok 1. Give applause for group 1. Ya. Tadi dia sudah membacakan atau bacakan hasil diskusinya about generic structure. Apa kalian sama? Ada jawaban betul? Sama? Ya. Oke, education for group 1. Ada pertanyaan untuk group 1? Ada?
Why Malin Kundang become disobedient child?
Ya, why Malin Kundang become disobedient child? Kelompok 1. The question is, why Malin Maling Kundang become disobedient child? Ada jawab? Sudah kirim terus.
Because he felt harassment.
Ya?
Because he felt harassment.
Rich. Ya, because he feel being rich man. Jadi dia sudah menjadi kaya. Ya, sudah menjadi kaya, makanya Maling Kundang itu menjadi anak yang durhaka. Ada lagi untuk pertanyaan kelompok 1? No. Ya, oke, thank you for group 1. Thank you group 1. Oke, sit down please. Now, group. So, Sarah, before you take your result discussion for today, please choose one paper. Please choose one paper. Itu, ya, oke. Please watch the instruction. Presentation about social function. Jadi Anda harus presentasikan tentang social function. Anda sudah tahu yang mana social function dong? Ya, fungsi sosialnya kira-kira yang berhubungan dengan Maling Kundang tadi. Oke, group 1, group 2, come here. Oke, give applause for group 2. Mari semangat yang buat temannya. Ya, group 2.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are from group 2. My name is Alfi Syahran and they are my friends. Okay friends, let's introduce yourself. My name is Eka Savitri. My name is Wahyuni. My name is Alisa Ulan Islam. Okay, we will presentation or visual discussion about narrative text Maling Kundang. And for this change, we get instruction about social function. Number 1, where did the story happen? In West Sumatra. Number 2, what is the social function of the text? To entertain the readers and text us not to be disobedient to our parents. 1. The third is paragraph 4. The last is paragraph 3. I think is enough for our discussion today from group 2. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ya, give applause for group 2. Ya. Jadi dia sudah mempresentasikan about social function-nya. Ya, saya harap kalian menyamakan dengan jawabannya ya. Apa itu? Apa tadi? Social function yang Anda bacakan. Apa itu social function daripada teks ini? Di mana kejadiannya? Nilai apa yang dapat diambil? What did his mother accuse Maling Kundang? What is the ending of the story? Did Maling Kundang really forget his mother? Dan itu semua termasuk dalam social function. Group 3. Ya, kasih applause untuk group 3. Ya, group 3, come here. Ya, just one paper. Ya, itu yang terakhir ya. Jadi di situ ada perintahnya tentang apa? Tentang apa? Ya, language feature. Ya, jadi kelompok 3 akan membahas tentang language feature.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are from group 3. My name Anastasia Putri and they are my friends. Okay friends, let's introduce yourself. My name is Husna. My name is Alda.
My name is Juliana.
My name is Rahman.
Okay, we will present oral discussion about narrative text Malin. And for this change, we give instruction about language feature. Number 4, what is the language feature of the text above? The language feature of the text are simple past tense, adverb of time, time conjunction. I think it's enough for our discussion today from group 3. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you for group 3. Give applause for group 3. Ya, ini semangat ya buat kelompok 3. Oke, any question for group 3? Ada pertanyaan untuk kelompok 3? Ya, Eka.
How her mother feeling when she was Malin Kundang?
How her mother feelings when she cures Malin Kundang? How her mother's feelings when she cures Malin Kundang? Bagaimana perasaan ibunya ketika dia mengutuk anaknya, ketika dia mengutuk Malin Kundang? Siapa bisa jawab?
She feels sad and angry. She said angry.
She feels sad and angry. Dia merasa sad and angry. Berarti dia merasa sedih dan marah. Oke, ini clear? Ya, jelas? Ada pertanyaan lagi?
No.
Oke, thank you for group. Tidak ada pertanyaan. Oke, thank you for your performance. Sit down, please. Saya kira cukup ya, is enough for today. Karena ini sudah jam terakhir, kalian langsung pulang ke rumah ya. Jangan dengerin musik di jalan. Oke, semoga selamat sampai di rumah. And I say assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oke, see you next time. Oke. Ya, bersihkan ya di tasnya semua, apanya barang-barangnya, sampahnya, ya mejanya.